it's no surprise that the Ukrainian-Russian war has caused higher petrol prices. People are getting more and more frustrated about the higher costs of running a car. So, how do you save money on car maintenance? Here are 22 tips that will save you money on car maintenance each month. 1. Regularly service your car every 10 to 15 kilometers. This will save you major car repairs in the long run. It also increases the petrol efficiency, and you'll get a better fuel economy. 2. Don't buy premium petrol. Just buy unleaded petrol. There really isn't much difference between the two. Unless you're driving a performance car, such as a Ferrari or a Porsche, you don't need premium fuel in your low-performance engine car. So switching to unleaded petrol alone can save you a lot of money. 3. Maintain your regular tyre pressure. Under or overinflated tyre pressure can use up to 6% more petrol. They'll wear out quickly. 4. Always visit petrolspy.com.au to find out the cheapest price and drive your car to that. If you're in the UK, check out petrolprice.com, or in the USA, gasbuddy.com. 5. If you have a Costco membership, go on a Tuesday or a Wednesday to fill your car. Sometimes you can find good deals on these days. Also, on other days, you can get cheaper petrol at Costco than anywhere else. 6. Drive sensibly. Don't drive bumper to bumper or overtake a vehicle unnecessarily. You will save money on unnecessary accident costs. 7. For your regular servicing, you don't need to go to a dealer mechanic. Sometimes mobile mechanics or experienced mechanics running the workshops in their backyard are cheaper than the service centre or established mechanic shops. 8. Don't unnecessarily push the accelerator to speed up. Speeding doesn't save much time at all. You will end up burning more petrol and running the risk of death. In fact, speeding more than 10 kilometers per hour increases fuel consumption by 10%. 9. Avoid getting fines. Running through a red light fine costs $454, and illegal parking in disabled bays costs $2,000 in Western Australia. 10. Don't brake your car often or unnecessarily. If you quickly brake over a speed bump and accelerate fast, you'll end up burning more petrol, your brake pads will wear out quickly, and your battery will wear out sooner. 11. Don't carry heavy stuff in your car. The more heavier your car is, the more petrol you're going to burn. For this reason, I remove my roof racks. 12. Buy the right insurance policy. It's really not worth getting full insurance coverage for a car that's worth less than $15,000. Instead, you should buy third-party property damage, fire and theft insurance. 13. Don't drive a car on a nearly empty tank. It was found out that as soon as your car tank becomes half full, it starts to burn more petrol. 14. Don't use the car aircon all the time. Car air conditioner uses up between 5 to 10% of the fuel. I use the air conditioning when I drive on the highway or at a high speed. Any time that I'm driving less than 50 kilometers per hour, I open the window a bit and it works for me. 15. Don't park your car in a warm area. It's true that petrol evaporates more quickly when your car becomes hot. I always make sure that my petrol cap is screwed tight and parked in the garage or under a shed. 16. Avoid traffic jams. When your engine's on but you're stuck in the traffic, it costs you fuel. Traffic jams are responsible for wasting over $7 billion worth of petrol in America each year. 17. I add petrol booster before filling up my tank. It gives me more mileage and it keeps my spark plug clean. 18. Sometimes I save money by carpooling with my colleagues. When I was working in the city, we gave rides to each other and often shared the parking ticket prices. 19. If you work in the city area, you can contact nearby apartment owners who may let you use their car parking spaces and pay half of the usual car parking ticket rates. It's a win-win for both. I was using an app called Parkhound that allowed me to connect with the nearby city apartment owners. And this saved me so much money. You can Google this kind of app in your area. 20. If you drive to the city every day, why don't you leave your car in the nearest station where you can leave your car safe and free for the whole day? And then you can catch the train or the bus in. 21. Now, don't buy a car with an engine that is more than 2.2 litres. You'll end up paying more money unnecessarily. 22. Do not buy a car on finance. You will end up paying more money than its original costs. Instead, buy a second-hand, reconditioned car under $15,000 and pay it in cash. If you don't have cash, watch my other videos where I discuss how you can save $100,000 in 3 years. So running a car doesn't have to be costly. You can save thousands of dollars each year. By the way, do you think I missed any tips? Please share in the comments section and help others. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my channel playlist on various topics such as investing and saving money. So before I finish this video, just to remind you again, you are sharing the road with others. Your sincere driving can save lives too. Happy driving! This is Cass, your friend from The Freedom Show. Peace out.